Okay, welcome back. It is day 191 of coding every single day. Um, so I got back from Georgetown visiting a friend for the weekend, um, back in the dorm. So yeah, so that's where I am for today. As for what I did today, just did a leak code. Also did a little bit of vibe coding in the morning of just putting together a front end for the startup I'm doing this summer. Um, no timeline on that, but I thought it'd be cool to spin something up that we can use when we have some actual functionality um, going. Which I assume maybe this week I'll start to work on a part of the startup, which is real time translation. So a lot of like translation things is like say you say like three sentences in a row, it'll take five, six, I don't know, a couple seconds to like process it and then it'll like spit it out. But this just adds a lot of delay. So if there's a way to do it so exactly when you stop talking, it starts reading back. So it's just a lot snappier. That's something I want to start working on. Because that'd be great for the startup. And then I worked on a leak code. It was just make a sorted list out of a linked list. Um, I know there's a much more efficient way, probably like an in-place way of doing that. That's a better time complexity than what I did. But I just converted it to a regular list by just going through each one, and it didn't really matter. I just need to get all the elements out, and then I sorted that list and then put it back into a linked list and return that. So that's pretty much it. Not gonna do much the rest of the night. And then tomorrow back in the lab for research. So yeah. So all this week should be 9 to maybe like 3ish. I'll be in the lab, and then I'll come back, probably hit the gym or something, and then record this video. So that's the plan. I will see you tomorrow for day 192. Yeah, take care. Bye.